Citrus fruits, especially lemon, always come in handy, especially when it comes to roasting and baking. So in today's video, we're going to be making a top lemon rice recipe, which is going to turn out flavorful, irresistible, and delicious. It's going to be super versatile because you can serve with some vegan curries, protein stews, and it's also perfect for meal prep. And the rice is going to remain so fresh because of the lemon. Grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. You're going to need 1 cup of rice for the recipe, and always go for the best quality for the best outcome. Also, you're going to prep up some garlic, coriander, the key ingredient, which is lemon. I have a chicken stock cube, salt, olive oil, and water. You can switch the water with some chicken stock, but because I have a chicken seasoning, chicken stock cube, it's quite okay to add in some water. So because I've been soaking my rice for 10 minutes, it's quite delicate. So I'm going to drain off the water so that we can start cooking. After draining off the water, we are going to get straight into cooking. So I'm going to place a pan over medium low flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in my garlic. Pick a spatula. Then I'm going to saute the garlic for around 30 seconds until it's very flavorful and the kitchen is smelling amazing. Adding in 3 cloves of garlic will not overwhelm the lemon flavor in the rice, and also adding in olive oil will add in tons of flavor. You're going to use a spatula, stir in the garlic as it's cooking, and it burns really fast, so you have to keep on stirring so that doesn't burn. And once your garlic has a lovely color just like this, you're going to add in 1 cup of rice that is soaked. Toast your rice for around a minute, and this is going to add in a nice smoky flavor, and also the garlic and olive oil is going to infuse together with the rice, making the rice so flavorful. The rice is very delicate because we have been soaking, so don't stir too much because the rice is going to break apart. It's already smelling so good. So next I'm going to be adding in some oregano, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to the rice. Add in my chicken stock cube, salt. Once ready, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of water because I'm cooking 1 cup of rice. Wait for around a minute so that the water can come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to throw in some more salt to make sure the rice is well seasoned. Cook your rice for around 4 to 5 minutes or until the water is fully evaporated. Then you're going to cover. Reduce the flames to low so that the rice can slowly cook and perfectly cook. After 5 minutes, I'm going to squeeze in some lemon. And I'm going to be using a lemon squeezer to do that. I'm going to add in juice of a whole lemon, which is going to add in so much flavor to the rice. Pick a box grater and grate a whole lemon. Make sure to get the green part, not the white part, because the white part is quite bitter and you don't want that in your rice. Also be very careful while grating the lemon zest because the grater is super sharp. Once done, I'm going to add in the lemon zest. Use a fork and fluff up my rice. Add in coriander. Squeezing in some lemon juice and zest is going to add in so much flavor to the rice. And once you're done, you're going to serve over some curry or stew. and it's going to be amazing because each bite is going to be flavorful with a little bit of tangy flavor from the lemon.